soulmate, Doctor. Leave us and return to Earth. Extinction is not an option. We shall return to our own time and begin again. We have succeeded. DNA reconstruction is complete. Observe, Doctor, a new Dalek paradigm. The Progenitor has fulfilled our new destiny. Behold, the restoration of the Daleks. The resurrection of the master race. All hail the new Daleks! All hail the new Daleks!
Yes, you are inferior.
Yes?
Then prepare.
We are ready!
Cleanse the unclean. Total obliteration. Disintegrate.
What do you do to the ones who mess up?
You are the Doctor. You must be exterminated.